If you're hiring movers or any other type of labor or driver, hourly workforce, if you want to stand out, here's what you should do. You should have a video that you send to a candidate, 30 seconds or less, that you send to every single candidate, okay? Rather than doing maybe an initial email or initial SMS or even an initial phone call, have a video that you send via text, okay? And it can be a pre-recorded, like canned, templated video that doesn't have their name, but it's basically, hey, want to introduce myself, this is who I am, this is who we are, and 99% of your market will not be doing this. And so it automatically puts you in a different category. So the attraction part of recruitment will go way off the charts because you're now in a different bucket. You're in a different category. They see you, they hear you, they know that you're not just some business, that you're an actual person, okay? Now, the next level of it is you can be personalized. You can personalize every single video. That just is a lot of time, potentially. But if you have low candidate volume, that might be the edge that you need in order to win over some of those people.